আমাকে যেন ক্যামেরায় আসে।
যাই হোক আমরা মিথ্যা কাজ করছি না। আগে তোমার নাম চলে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে সবাই। নামো হয় না লাইনে ধরে যাও লাইনে দুটো চলে এখানে একটা দিয়ে যাবে বাবু बहुत गंदा पसंद की हाथ धोआ खड़ा कर हाथ धोआ सारे किच्छु হবে পড়ে গেল খাওয়া হবে
What I feel from the point of view of any hospital, dispensary or any sort of medical aid, this place is quite barren. For the people of the mission to be coming here and doing such a lot of aid work is a huge thing actually for the people of this area. Now that I'm seeing the women folk around here, I feel that the women are getting a lot of help from the work of the missionaries here. What I feel is the missionaries are doing a big thing actually, because they are seeing the patients as well as giving them medicines, and to top it, they are coming here every week and following up the patients, which is very vital. See, because maybe many people give aid to patients or people, aid in any form, but they don't continue with it.
আর হ্যাঁ খাবার পরে তারপরে খাবে, বমির ওষুধটা আগে খাবে, 5 মিনিট আগে বমির ওষুধটা খাইয়ে তারপরে খাওয়া খাবে।
The most vital part which I actually felt as a doctor is that it's not just important to see and give medicines to a patient just for that moment. It's very important that you continue with the medication, because there are many chronic diseases which are rampant in this area. I see that there are many skin infections, many types of skin infections which the women folk that I am seeing, they are harboring, and all these, they require regular visits, regular motivation, education, and as well as medication. এটা না রক্ত যাঞ্চ করাতে হয়। So, I as a doctor, I feel overwhelmed to see such a big work being done by the missionaries. I feel very privileged as a doctor that I'm part of the team. As a doctor alone in any place, I wouldn't have been able to do such a lot of work. In an organized sector like this, where they have a full group of compounders, of dispensers, of people who are helping out, and medicines of course, and all the other things, of transport and all this, the whole organization that is run day after day. This is only one place. They are doing it every day of the week. I feel overwhelmed to see all this lot of work being done without any motive, without any return, and just out of, I would say, selfless love, affection for the people of our country, and maybe just the motivation that we are all Indians. I feel so privileged that as a educated person, my education is being of so much help to these people. As a doctor, when I'm in my practice chamber, I am seeing patients, but I'm earning also. That is my bread and butter. That is my motivation, that they are giving me my bread and butter. Here, these people are working without any motivation. So, to be with these people without any selfish gain, that is monetary gain as a doctor on my part,
same thing.
I don't know. I feel so happy inside that at least I could share a little part of my education and my knowledge with the team. Because if this team would not have been here, I wouldn't have been of no
All
use.
the books of Swami Vivekananda or Ramakrishna has helped you to do these things. You know.
See, I've been reading some of the spiritual books. I was reading Vivekananda's books. And one thing which impressed me was that your karma should be quite a vital part in your life. You can do a lot through your karma. And I don't know how God has helped me by somehow drifting me away from all the monetary life that I've been leading till date into this team, with the missionaries, and that is why I feel so thankful to God that somehow I could just mix with these people and come here and just give a small part.
Spread the services to the humanity.
Spread the services to the humanity. That is why I tell Maharaj every day. Some days I'm so overwhelmed, I just keep to myself and keep thinking about what all these people are doing. I am actually insignificant. I hardly contribute because these people are working day and night, only serving people. So they are doing a far greater job than we, the technically educated, you can say, because most of us, we are busy minting money in metros or amongst people, but these people have no monetary gain from all this, and I think they're only gaining happiness, and maybe the happiness that they get from all this service, maybe that is their that is what pushes them, and maybe they have other also, I don't know what they have inside them. Maybe God has made them like that they can go on and on, because in front of these missionaries, I feel like a very small person. And I hope God blesses me with this, that I can continue with my work with them, because I feel nice coming with them to these areas where help is really out of reach. And they have been also working in the field of education. Imagine that such a big work just to educate people, because only education can bring in so much of enlightenment. Simple ways of education.
These are the
also.
ideas of Swami Vivekananda. From the beginning, that the education and the services to the people should continue for long period of time.
Correct,
That's
correct.
it.
Because see, now I realize that education is the most vital thing. Because without education, you are blind. Even if you might have so many things in front of you, if you're not educated about those things, they'll be of no use to you. So education is very vital, and then comes health. Because health, we've learned that health is wealth. If you're healthy, then naturally you can go on with your life. And the missionaries have been working in these two fields only. And it's a big thing that they've been doing, and I really hope and wish from my heart that I can continue associating myself with them as long as I live.
And more people should continue associating with them.
And of course, see, that I think is something that I would expect, that more of India, more of the educated, the technically educated India should come and associate with the missionaries who are working like this selflessly. That of course I would hope, and I'm sure many people from all over India are associated also, and many people are also helping in their own way. And the young people should become more aware. That is why I'm bringing my daughter also along with me, because I want that the young people also come and see what all work is being done, because only then they can realize that their presence, after they're educated and they're working, their presence is more of desired in rural India than in the metros, because in metros there is ample amount of help, not so in rural India. So the young people also should come forward from all over India and help in all this. I'm so saturated with so much of love and affection around me. Every time I come and work with the missionaries, they have so much of love and affection to give. I'm blessed. I'm really blessed to be part of this team.